Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on what you can do if the media upload quality on your WhatsApp is not showing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to make sure that your WhatsApp is on its latest version. So to check that, just go into your Play Store or App Store and then check if an update is available for your WhatsApp. And then if there's an update available, just simply install it into your device. And after doing so, if you want to send a video here on WhatsApp and you want to change its quality, so what you can do is to go into that conversation that you want to send the video to. And after that, just access your photos and then just choose the video that you want to send, just like that. And then after you have chosen your video, you'll be able to see the HD button on the top part of your screen, and then just simply tap on it, and then you should be able to change the quality of the video. So you can set it to standard quality or the HD quality if you want to do so. And after doing so, just simply click the send button for you to be able to send it into the conversation here on WhatsApp. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.